Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 12th areas related to circles exercise 12.3 question number 15. ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. Now see, they are saying ABC, that is this. We can write P over here. So ABC, this is the quadrant of a circle and the radius for it is 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Now find the area of the shaded region. You have to find the area of this shaded region. Now first of all, what we will do, we will find the area of quadrant, this quadrant, and then we will subtract the area of triangle from it. So we will get the area of this segment BPC. So we will write A, B, P, C is a quadrant. Right? So we have theta is 90 degree, quadrant means theta 90 degree, quadrant means 1/4 of a circle. R is 14 centimeter, it is given. So area of quadrant APBC will be equal to theta over 360 degree into pi r square. 90 over 360 degree, 22 by 7, 14 into 14. So here it is 4, this by 2, again by 2, and this is 11. So this area is 154. 11 14s are 154 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC will be equal to half into base into height. So it will be half into 14 into 14. This AC is the radius of this quadrant. AB is also the radius of the quadrant. So it will be 14 centimeter each. So this will be equal to 98 centimeter square. Now we have area of segment. Now the segment is BPC. It will be equal to area of quadrant ABPC minus area of triangle ABC. See, we have to find the area of this segment. This will be area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So 154 minus 98, so 56 centimeters square. Now from this taking BC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. So let us first find this BC. We can find this BC by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So we will write in right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. So we get BC square is AB square plus AC square. So this is 14 square plus 14 square, 196 plus 196. BC will be square root of 392. It will be 14 square root of 2 centimeter. Diameter of semicircle BQC is 14 root of 2 centimeter. Therefore, radius is 7 square root of 2 centimeter. Area of semicircle is half pi r square. So, half into 22 by 7 into 7 root 2 into 7 root of 2. So this can be cancelled. In the numerator we have 22 into 7 and square root of 2 into square root of 2 is 2 over 2. So this is 154 centimeters square. Now we have to find the area of shaded region. That will be equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment. Area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle BQC minus area of segment BPC. This is 154 minus 56. So 98 centimeters square will be the answer.